So good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching me from. Architect Chidi. We are going to be talking about foundation cost for a 4-bedroom bungalow. Look at the bungalow. Can you see how big it is? See how gigantic it is? That is why we are going to be analyzing it stage by stage. So this particular video is for the foundation. I'm going to be telling you the materials that you need and the sum total of both the labor. You know, my quotation is always coming with labor. I don't do after you go and negotiate. So far as your foundation is not, your land is not waterlogged, so far as it's not slopey, it's a table land, and it's around southeast is the same price for labor, unless you are going to Lagos. So first of all, let's start with, hope you have your drawing. So your drawing will give you detailed analysis of what you are going into, so that you'll not be doing correcting every minute. So after that, you get your land. You should not be talking about building without land now. You have to get your land first. So after getting your land and getting your drawings, these are the materials you should keep before you start that project. One is 2,000 pieces of blocks. For your foundation, 2,000 pieces of blocks. You can use 6 inches blocks, they are wonderful. You can use 9 inches for the exterior and 6 inches for the interior, they are wonderful. But let's use 6 inches. All right, after getting your 6 inches blocks, you get your cement. So cement, you should be looking at 120 bags. 120 bags will help you pour the blinding, pour the small pillars, lay your blocks, and do the oversight concrete. Oversight is your DPC, because every house I'm building, I used to do quotation for the oversight. Oversight will help you to at least apply your DPM and then cast it to avoid dampness. So after getting your 120 bars of cement, you get 15 pieces of 12 mm rod. 12 mm rod helps your bungalow to have strength, especially if it's carrying parapet. It will also help to avoid cracks in your project. Don't avoid these things because you want to cut costs. They are not too costly. You understand? So you buy 50 planks. Planks is for the trimming, mouth trimming when you want to cast, also for your pillars. 1 bag of 3 inches nail, 1 bundle of binding wire, 1 bundle of quarter rod. Quarter rod is we are going to use it for the rings of the pillars. I don't know if you understand. So we are going for 5 trips of sand, 3 trips of stone. You can decide to use local stone, or you can decide to use shippings. But if you are going for shippings, just know that it's going to be more costlier. I made this quotation with local stones so that it will be much cheaper, and it's also solid. One of the things we'll find out is that we are going to look for sand free. There are sand free stones. So if you use sand free stones, you're going to achieve the same result that shippings is going to give you. So we are going for sand free stones. We are going 3 trips for your blinding, for your pillars, and for your oversight concrete. Oversight concrete, oversight concrete, and oversight concrete, and oversight concrete. So laterite sand is very important. After you have bought your laterite sand, 16 trips, then you talk about the labor, then talk about the materials and sum total. So we are looking at 6 million naira to 5,900,000 to 6 million naira for this particular foundation of a 4-bedroom. With the things I listed already, you know that it's a standard 4-bedroom bungalow. So all those things comes with labor, comes with materials, comes with transportation, and also miscellaneous. So nobody's going to call you later to add money or to add anything after the project is being discussed. So for your 4-bedroom bungalow, you need 5,900,000 to 6 million for you to execute it. Make sure you keep your drawings and make sure you keep your money. Thank you.